Parker Group. Giant trees. Mount Sequoia. There's a burnt tree right there. Tunnel log. Bypass. Okay, 1, 2, and
Hi.
hi.
Natalon ako.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi, sisimulan ko rin para alam na kung saan tayo nanggaling. Oo, pa ganyan. Okay, sige.
Lapit mo dito.
Ikot ulit. Yay!
What's that? What's that in the middle of the road? Oh, that's a tree.
May bato oh.
Where?
Na ano niya,
Napo.
na-pull niya.
Ah, nga.
Imbis na tanggalin, hinukay na lang.
Who's driving?
Me, of course. Look, we're in the middle. Middle.
Right there.
That's a freaking giant tree.
Go.
Go.
They call it tunnel log.
They call it tunnel log.
Goodbye.
Ay, wrong turn ka. Naku, wrong
There you
turn
go.
ka. Nag-wrong turn siya.
Right now, we're on a general highway.
General highway.
Wow, that's
We're around
freaking
the
big.
giant trees.
Parang bayad.
Okay. Dang, that's freaking big.
Parang bayad.
It looks like balls. It looks like freaking balls, man.
Bayad.
Bayag. You know, bayag means balls.
Ay, sige na. Ayun, laki.
Ricky, what's that?
Tree? The biggest one.
The biggest tree in
Sequoia.
Sequoia.
The Sherman tree.
Nakaragtuloy kayo.
Why?
The biggest thing there.
Tingnan mo kasabay natin sa tunnel.
It's very nice.